Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to upload an image in Google Gemini. Google Gemini allows users to interact with AI using both text and image. Here is how you can easily upload an image and start using it. First of all, open up the Gemini application on your smartphone and then make sure you are in the chat box. Click on the plus icon inside the chat box and then click on either camera or gallery. If you choose camera, you'll need to take a picture using your device's camera and upload it on the chat box and upload it in the chat box. If you want to use an existing picture, tap on gallery. Now from your device's camera roll, select the picture you'd like to upload. After you do that, click on add at the top right and then your picture will be uploaded. Now type a question or instruction related to the image inside the text box. Now click on the send or the airplane icon at the bottom right. And then Gemini will now analyze the image and respond with helpful insights. Just make sure to use high quality image for better responses. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded an image in Google Gemini. Now you can explore visual-based AI interactions and get detailed answer from your photos. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.